Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. You guys, I did it. I took out my floor. I love the floor, but I just couldn't do it anymore. So I took it out this morning and I'm so glad I did, because even though I really like the way the flooring looks, it wasn't working out in here. So I took out the floor. There's Winston's bed. So underneath the floor I have these hooks. Now I'm going to do what you guys suggested. I'm going to try a pool noodle. I'm going to try foil. I'm going to try fabric. I'm going to try a few different super inexpensive options to cover up those hooks. In the meantime, I'm putting this blanket over it, as well as Winston's bed, and I still have floor space in there. So now, as you can see, my bed is down on just the regular van carpeting, which I actually think the foam might have been kind of messing up the how level my bed was anyways. So, and it was easy to just slide it right out because I just threw the floor in there, so it wasn't attached to anything. Now, I did an experiment with my Alpacool fridge and my Jackery 240 yesterday. I ran the experiment. I have a video on that coming soon because I am interested in getting the Blue Yeti power station instead of the Jackery 500 maybe. So I cleaned it up in here. Since I took the floor out, I took the time to just clean it up a little bit and make my bed and such. So threw that floor blanket back in there, and that'll have to do rather than the flooring. And if you don't remember, this is the floor that I had. Oh, there's Winston barking because he thinks I'm talking to somebody. So this was the flooring that I purchased from Lowe's. And although it's beautiful and comfortable, and I mean, this pattern is just to die for, especially with the color of my van. Winston Arthur, it's fine, son. It wasn't going to work right now. So I either need to somehow perfect it or just not use it. So I'll show you the other side. This is my refrigerator cord. So yeah, so here's the other side with just my bed platform on the floor. And like I said, if you guys have questions on that bed platform, I do have a video up on it, so you can check that out. Today I'm receiving a new little table from Amazon that I ordered. I'm going to show that to you guys later. And then also I mapped out my route this morning to Minnesota for the summer. So I'm leaving on around July 14th for my Minnesota family trip. So my van is looking so clean, so pretty. I'm waiting on some more decals for my van. Those will be going on. This little table that I ordered, it's pretty cool. I'm excited to show you guys. And again, I have that Alpacool and the Jackery experiment video coming, so that'll be fun too. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel, support us on Patreon. Remember that I have stickers coming soon, and Winston and I will see you on our next adventure.